Hi guys, and welcome back to Black Stag Styling. So in with us for today we have another Ford Transit Custom. This one's already got a few little bits and pieces all done to it, but we are adding some extra little bits, aren't we, Adam?
Yeah, little bits.
Some extra little bits. So we'll pan around to Adam. Adam can explain exactly what else we're doing to it. What are we doing, Ad?
Oh, mate, what aren't we doing? That's the question. No? We're fitting some new roof bars on it.
There we go.
Them bad boys.
Looking good,
Nice.
yes.
Obviously in the matte black.
Yep.
And
They look nice.
We're down here in the box. Come and have a look at my box. We've got some roof spoilers to be done in body colour. Hey?
So we'll be prepping primering and body colouring them.
Body colour in them.
Lovely.
Lovely job.
They look good.
Last of all, we're doing some brake calipers in orange to match the stripes he already has across his bonnet.
On the old bonnet. Right, let's have a look. Have a little look at the stripes.
Terry's chocolate orange, that is, I think.
Bit of chocolate orange.
Yeah. They look nice, don't they?
It will do, mate. Couple of extra little touches. Will look smart, won't they,
I
mate?
didn't touch anybody.
No, that tuning one.
Hey, don't spoil it.
We won't spoil it, pal. So, as always, don't forget, please like and subscribe to our channel. And, well, along with Adam and the rest of the guys, we'll crack on with this one.
Woohoo! Okay, mate. Wow, lovely, isn't they? Hey, roof bars. Lovely.
Look. They're going on all right?
Yeah, I've got one on, mate. Got one on. I'm just popping these little rubber caps in the top, and we're all bolted on. Pretty securely, look.
Nice.
Lovely, lovely.
Nice little add-on, isn't it?
Lovely
Isn't
roof
it, Ad?
bars. Add it on, yeah. Add put it on, yeah.
Added put it on.
Yeah.
Nice.
Good, isn't it? Let me think of my old haircut I just did. Isn't it right?
Lovely. And
Nice.
Lizzie do that?
Elizabeth's done it, yeah.
She's done you proud there.
We're taking bookings from the 14th of April, August. When the hairdresser
Yeah, something around then.
14th of April.
Something around them.
Yeah.
Can you book me in?
Yeah.
I'll have a short back and sides.
Expensive, mate.
I have heard.
She is expensive.
Yeah, but all the good women are, aren't they, mate?
6 weeks worth of washing up I've got to do for this one.
Okay, so we're now going to go and see Adam and Fraser. Well, Fraser first of all. Fraser is now sorting the spoilers for the van. He's already test fitted them, but we'll just check with them as well. He'll be prepping them, getting them ready for paint. And then Adam will be getting the vehicle up in the air to get the wheels off, to get the calipers prepped and painted in the orange. That's to match the decals. Ad's already got the spoilers. Ad's already got the roof bars onto the van, as you've seen. So, yeah, that's all looking good. Don't forget, give us a shout at Black Stag Styling if we can help with any of the styling to any of the vehicles. We've got lots of accessories from roof bars to lights to grills, all sorts of things, wheels, tyres. So give us a shout, Black Stag Styling. But no further ado, let's get in the workshop, see how the guys are doing. Oh, Mr. Fressoir.
Oh,
Do tell us, what are we doing?
Alex.
Good morning, pal.
We're prepping up some spoilers ready for some beautiful paint to go on it
Lovely.
for this transit van.
Fantastic. You've already test fitted them, I guess?
I have.
Oh,
It's almost like they were made for this van.
I tell you, we
Very
can't
close to that.
ask for more than that.
You can't really.
Right, so you're just prepping them ready for, are they going to need primering again?
They're just going to need wet on wet primer
Wet on
and then
wet.
paint them.
and then colour coded to the van. There you go. You carry on. Oh, yeah. Hello, mate. Right, so you're just about to get the van up in the air, aren't we, bud?
I'm gonna get the wheels off, mate. Get the wheels off.
Yeah.
Get the old calipers painted up, prepped up. Going orange.
Superb, superb. Right, also in with us at the moment, we have a T5 that we're doing loads of body work on. And this is about 3/4 of the way through now. Pretty much ready for paint. So don't forget you check this out on an up and coming YouTube video. All the way through the body repairs, styling, there's some really cool stuff we're doing to this. So subscribe, like and subscribe to the channel, and then you'll be able to keep up to date with when this comes out. Is that right, Ed?
Yeah, baby.
Well, that could already be out, you know, it depends when they're watching the video.
That is true. It's like Fraser has very cleverly pointed out, it could already be out.
He is very clever, that Fraser.
And it's
It gets past me. I ain't as stupid as what I do.
and it's early in the morning and he's on it.
Yeah.
Hello, pal.
Yeah, we're good, mate.
Just getting the old calipers prepped.
Just getting them prepped up, mate. They're not too bad. Sorry, they're not too bad. That's a fairly newish van, isn't it?
Yeah, it's pretty new. It's the newer shape, isn't it? So it can't be too old.
Yeah, just put the prep up. And the paint's up to stick to nice.
Lovely.
Yeah.
Lovely times. I'll do a little bit of recording of you painting them in a little while, mate.
Oh, you have?
Lovely.
Oh.
So we've now got the spoilers in the booth, ready for some primer and some paint. Oh, they're gonna look lovely. They're gonna look so good. They're gonna look beautiful. Yeah. So Adam, what are your interests?
I like donuts. I like cookies, custard creams, fig rolls, angel cakes.
Yeah, work that angle. Work that angle.
No, it's had a little haircut yesterday.
Yeah, let's get that fresh trim in there. Oh yeah.
Yeah, baby. What else we know then? Whoa!
Ah, he's falling off. So now the primer's dry. We've used a wet on wet primer so we can go straight over the top with some colour. And it's gonna look so delicious.
Hello, pal.
Hello, mate. How are we?
All good, mate. All good.
Good. Just
Getting
doing the second coat on my calipers now.
Nice.
Starting to look very, very orange.
Look good, don't they?
Yeah. Good colour match to the stripes on the bonnet and wherever else we are. Bonnet, I think.
We'll have a look. There we go. Look. Look at that. Look. Perfect. Perfect match.
Yeah.
Yeah, look good,
A
mate.
lovely little lay down with it.
Heat resistant paint as well, isn't it, Buff?
Paint, yep, self-leveling. Yeah, mate, all good.
Excellent. I'll let you carry on, mate. Done a lovely job.
Hey, mate, come back and see me soon.
I will do. Be back very soon. Very shortly. And then I think we get Pete, you over here with the spoilers?
All detailing the paint finish.
There we are, Pete's just...
A couple of little bits of dust in there, not much at all.
Yeah, just a little flat back and a polish.
Yeah.
Lovely. How have they come out? Look good. Just a little look, shall we? Yeah, lovely. Superb, mate. I'll let you carry on giving them a little tickle and a polish.
Give them a little tickle.
And that would just prep the back up and that to get the old spoilers on. Get them bonded on.
Get it on.
Let's get it on. Lovely.
How we go?
Superb, pal. Got some panels we're getting ready for hydro dipping. There we go, a couple of motorbike panels. They'll be in a video coming to you soon, won't they, pal? Okay, so Pete is now getting the spoilers onto the back of the van, all bonded on, so we'll have a look, see how he's doing. Is around there somewhere?
Oh, hello.
Hello.
Yeah, so I've just put some bond on the top of the door here.
Superb.
We're ready to stick this down and line these babies up.
Superb.
I think there's some
Already got the other side all on, I see.
other sides done. Might need some adjustments, but okay.
We can go with a little bit of adjustment, that's not a
Just take
problem.
that down for the moment. And then we'll do some fine tuning.
Lovely, looking good. And the spoilers.
Yes. Right.
Excellent, pal. Lovely jubbly. Look good with the spoilers on. Okay, so don't forget to give us a shout at Black Stag Styling if we can help with any, obviously, vehicle styling, particularly with the vans and the pickup trucks. We do plenty of bits and pieces on these, loads of accessories available, stickers, lights, wheels, tyres, interior hydro dipping, loads of different things. So give us a shout at Black Stag Styling or even pop in and see us. We'd love to help. Hello, pal.
Hello, mate.
Come and see how you're getting
Nice
on
to
with
see
the...
you again, mate.
And nice to
Nice
see you,
to
mate.
see you, yeah. I'm still here.
We're just doing
Paint of
the...
orange. Last coat now, mate. Just a last little coat over the top. Third coat.
Let's have a little look, shall we?
A little look.
This is the back one. Look at that, they're looking lovely.
Yeah, little orange, huh? Yeah.
Looking good, mate. Looking good. So they're nearly done. I think we've got the... Pete's got the roof spoilers on, so they'll be left overnight now just to make sure they set nicely in place with the bonding. And then we'll get the tape off, give them a little polish and check. Roof bars are looking good. Well done, Adam.
Very good, mate. He's going to be happy, isn't he?
Yeah, I think so, mate. Final little bits and we'll be there.
Yeah, baby.
Here we go, so it's time to get the wheels back on and add.
Yeah,
A
baby.
lovely job of them calipers,
Little
but
caliper, see that caliper for it? Oh, lovely, isn't it?
lovely times.
Lovely time.
So as we always do, Ad's giving them wheels an extra little clean
Extra little
before
clean.
he pops them on, so the
Inside
back's
now.
all clean.
Little bit of copper slick on the studs here. Oh,
Wicked and crisp.
we do it proper around here, don't we, mate?
Well, we do, mate, we do.
We do it proper
It's
around
all in the
here.
detail, isn't it?
Yeah, that's it. What is it? Yeah, all good. Get it back on the ground.
Then time for a little wash.
Yeah.
The van, that is, mate, the van.
Yeah.
Oh, have a little look around the other side.
The other side.
There we go. Wheels are back on this side. Obviously, it's just got to go onto the ground. And the dam.
Nice and tight.
Excellent job, pal.
Hey, you want a minute, mate?
That's how to do it. Okay, so now time to get the little beauty of the van all washed and ready to go back to the customer as always. So we'll give you a little view just of Adam giving it a little scrub up. Isn't that right, pal?
Yeah, mate, scrubber.
No, not you, mate.
What you said?
Not you, mate.
Yeah, we're all good, mate. Got glass cleaner, ready to go.
Superb.
Lovely, isn't it?
Oh, hey.
I'm too close, mate.
Could have got you to do me boots. Get me doing me boots, pal.
Do your boots, but I've got my boots on, you noticed?
Oh, yes.
Lovely, isn't they? Hey?
Keep your feet dry.
Ah.
Lovely jubbly. Hi guys, and thanks as always for checking out one of our YouTube videos. It's been a pleasure working with this van. We do love our vans here at Black Stag Styling, as you know. This is on the Ford Transit Custom Sport. So working with this one just to improve or add a little bit of extra styling to this. So starting with the brake calipers, we have cleaned, prepped and then painted them in an orange heat resistant paint. This is to go with the stripes running across the vehicle, with the orange in the stripes, just tying the two things in nicely, adding a little bit of extra colour to the vehicle. And then of course moving across or up to the roof, we have supplied and fitted some matte black roof bars, again just to add a little bit of extra styling to the vehicle. And then to finish it all off, on the back of the vehicle we have supplied, painted and bonded to the vehicle two roof spoilers. They're colour coded to the van. And again, adding all the bits together adds some nice extra styling to the vehicle. So hopefully you've enjoyed watching this video. Please do check out some of our other videos on the channel. We've got lots of styling to vans, pickup trucks, cars, supercars, all sorts of things, our hydro dipping as well. So please check them out. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Turn on the old notifications, that way you'll stay fully up to date with everything we're doing. And as always, hopefully we will catch you again soon. We'll now give you a final look around the van and hopefully catch you for one of our other videos. Take care. Thanks for watching.
Yeah.